Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are gonna be DIYing some easiest and the cutest gifts. See, gifts are not supposed to be expensive. It's not gonna be special on how much money you spend. It's gonna be special on how much time you spend making them or thinking about that one person. It could be anyone like your mom and dad, your brother and sister, your girlfriend, boyfriend, anyone. So let's start, and don't forget to like this video, share as much as you can, and subscribe and hit that bell icon so whenever I post a video you'll get a notification. Let's start. So let's start our first DIY gift. For this DIY we need a wire, then cement, then a round nose piler and a container to mix the cement, and four or two different shapes of molds. You can use anything. I just use the caps of sanitizer and all. After that we are gonna cut the wire in 10 to 11 centimeter, and we are gonna take our round nose piler and bend 2-3 rounds of the wire with the help of round nose piler, something like this. This is where we are gonna stuck our picture. आफ्टर दैट वी आर गोना टेक अवर मिक्सिंग कंटेनर एंड मिक्स द सीमेंट. मैं 4 मोल्ड में बना रही हूँ तो मैंने वही मोल्ड के सीमेंट लिए हैं. अगर आप 2 मोल्ड में बनाओगे तो वही 2 मोल्ड ले लेना सीमेंट. एंड देन यू गोना ऐड सम वाटर एंड मिक्स इट. Then we are gonna take that cement mixture and pour it into our mold. And don't forget to dab it on the ground to remove all the air bubbles. It's a little messy process, but trust me, it's worth it. At the end we are gonna put our wire that we made in the container and make it stand with the help of 2 sticks. जैसे हम कैंडल के लिए करते हैं, समथिंग लाइक दैट. जस्ट मेक इट स्टैंड एंड वेट टिल इट ड्राइज. आफ्टर इट ड्राइज कम्प्लीटली वी आर गोना टेक इट आउट फ्रॉम द मोल्ड, एंड एज यू कैन सी वो बहुत आसानी से निकल जाता है. एंड आफ्टर रिमूविंग दैट वी आर गोना टेक अ सैंड पेपर एंड सैंड इट डाउन. आई एम नॉट गोना पेंट इट और डू एनीथिंग ऑन दैट बिकॉज आई वॉन्ट टू keep it simple like that. It looks more aesthetic like that, I think. You can paint it if you want. I'm not gonna paint it. I'm just gonna keep it like this. I'm just gonna smoothen it. So yeah, let's see the result. Now for the second DIY we need card paper, a sellotape and a paper cutter or a scissor. That's it. After that you're gonna take the card paper and cut that in a square shape. After cutting the squares you're gonna take one of the square and fold it in a triangle shape. So it's pretty self-explanatory, just watch it and learn. Then you're gonna open it, you're gonna fold the triangles inside, something like that. Then जो नीचे वाला triangle है we're gonna fold that triangle upward. Then again fold that triangle downwards, something like that. And then again fold that upward. The way I told, I know it's confusing, but it's not. Just watch it, learn and do it. 1 down, 9 more to go. we need 10 squares, 10 triangles like that. And if you have your head size like me, अगर आपका सर बड़ा है तो मे भी ज़्यादा ट्राइंगल भी लग सकते हैं, आई डोंट नो. After making all the triangles, we are going to take two of them and insert it in one another, something like this. It will get stuck apne aap. You don't need to stick or anything. Something like that. We're going to do that with all of them. I love you, I wanna be me too.
आता कळलं. अरे या खाली तर खूपच छोटं झालं.
अरे थांब थांब मी करते बाबा थांब. इकडे दाखव हे बघ.
अरे नाही हे नीट नाही झालंय बघ टाक. जाणच नाही
हे असं आहे ना, म्हणजे आपल्याला इथे टाकायचं ना, असं ना. I love you, I wanna. After joining all the triangles, we are going to secure them with the help of sellotape. काही मला एक छोटी एक मोठी नको करू.
तू जसं की मोठं परफेक्ट केलं होतंस मला बोलतो.
दिसते तरी आहे का sellotape?
हो मग धापी नाही करू ती. भाई तू मला नवीन घेऊन द्यायला लावशील त्यांना. After that, join the ends and make a circle. Whoa! After that, we are gonna again secure the back with the help of sellotape. This time, the sellotape will help the circle to be in a proper way, like in a proper crown shape, something like that. Yeah, this is how it looks. It looks cute, isn't it? I know. Plus, it's sustainable because the one we buy from store is made with plastic, I guess. Yeah. सिरामिक का तो बनानी होगा और असली वाला तो देंगे नहीं, तो प्लास्टिक का ही बना होगा. So it's sustainable. Plus it's handmade. So yeah, it looks cute and easy to make. Okay, let's move on. Now, the last and the easiest DIY gifts. For that, we need paper clips and a piler. This is not a gift. This is a kind of additional gift you give to someone. Like if you give a big gift to someone, अगर आप उसको कुछ expensive gift दे रहे हो तो it's an additional gift. It's like a complimentary, like that. For this DIY, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the piler, hold the longest side of the paper clip and do this, and we are done. We just have to fold it upwards, press it upwards, not fold. We just have to press it upwards with the help of our fingers, and that's it. are done. I hope you like it. Comment down which one is your favorite. My favorite was all three of them. Yes, I love all three of them. Comment down which one is your favorite, and make sure to hit that like button, share as much as you can, and subscribe and hit that bell icon so whenever I post a video you'll get a notification. And also, this is the part 1. This is the part 1. Part 2 will be up in the next month. I didn't start shooting yet, but there is a part 2. And yeah, this is the easiest and the cutest and the simplest DIY. So make sure to give it a try and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye. See you next Thursday.